Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be replacing the original square exhaust tips on this 2026 Porsche Macan with the dual exhaust tips from Topaz that I purchased from Amazon a couple of years ago. For this job you will need a wrench. To remove the original tips you'll need T30 Torx bit. To install the new ones you will need 14mm socket. For a couple of years I had them on my 2023 Porsche Macan. It's nice stainless steel construction. Especially here in New England we have roads covered with snow and salt, and as you can see they're holding up pretty well. The only rust that I can see is on this bolt and the nut, but they can easily be replaced with stainless steel if you need. But I didn't have any trouble removing it after a couple of years on the car. To remove the original exhaust tip, you need to remove these two screws using T30 Torx bit. Now, after those two screws are removed, you can now remove the tip. It's easier just to twist it and pull it. Easier to push it from the back edge, which could be sharp, so it's a good idea to have gloves to protect your hands. So now, twisting it and pushing or pulling, you remove this tip. The dual exhaust tip installs right on the pipe, and then I'll need to tighten this clamp, this nut on the clamp, with 14mm socket. Install the dual exhaust tip on the pipe, and now I can tighten the bolt on the clamp. Make sure to adjust to level them. If you need, you can always release the clamp and readjust the tips so they are leveled. I'm done with the left side. This is how the dual exhaust tip looks on the left side, and I will do the same thing on the right side. I just finished the installation. I think they look great. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe.